Hello, fourth grade. Today we're taking a look at the prefixes pre, inter, and ex. Now remember, we've taken a look at the prefix pre before in spelling, so that one should be a review for you, and then we have two new ones that we're looking at today. So again, remember with prefixes, they're added to the beginning of the word, and they can change the meaning of a word. Remember, they need to be added to a base word. A base word is a word that stands alone. So a prefix is not something that's part of the original base word. It's a separate piece that can be added on. So the first prefix we're going to look at today is pre, and yes, you have that word prefix with the pre on it. Pre meaning before. So preschool is before school. So before you went into kindergarten, we consider that like formal school. You were in preschool, so that was your school before you came to school. Preview is you view before, and again, like a preview that you watch ahead of a movie. Pre-game, again, before the game. So anything that happens before the game. We were part of the pre-game show when we sang at the hockey game, and the band that played as well. That was a little pre-game show. Usually when they're big professional events, then they can have, they'll like be the announcers talking or something with the pre-game show, talking about what they think is going to happen in the game. The next one is inter. There's several meanings here. Can be between, among, or together. So there's several ways, several meanings that this one can be used. So when we talk about the interstate, often the interstate, we're talking about roads or highways. So if it's the interstate itself, that is a road that goes between the states. Interact means to act among other people. So if you have an interaction with someone, that's again between the two of you or among the two of you. Intertwine is to twine together. So if you take two pieces of string and you're lapping one over the other, you're intertwining them. Ex, this is another one that has quite a few meanings. Can mean outside, out of, away from, not, without, or former. And the former is one we use quite a bit. So ex-mayor would be former mayor, and that would be one that you can use with anything. So you can have ex-mayor, ex-president, ex-boyfriend. So it just says former, no longer. Exorbital means out of orbit. So again, if you have maybe a satellite or something orbiting the Earth, and all of a sudden something goes wrong and it gets out of the orbit, so you have exorbital. These are fun words. Excommuned, as I said today, the one I know with this is excommunicated. And again, that means you are away from the community. We talked about today people in Jesus's time that had leprosy, which was that disease that it like eats away at the skin. And so they were excommuned because they did not want them with the rest of the community. Exhale, a little bit of science. We talked about this with your lungs. To inhale means you're taking it in. Exhale means you are without the air. You're breathing it out. An ex-beetle goes a little bit with ex-mayor. Again, this is no longer a beetle or a former beetle. And then lastly, ex-scriptural is outside of scripture. So again, outside of what the Bible says. Couple of little ones for you to use in a sentence. The United Nations is an international organization. So again, international. Now this one's tough because you see the word nation as your base word. So international is between nations. Next, Jerry Brown is an ex-governor of California. Ex meaning former. So he is the former governor. Gavin Newsom is the governor now. Jerry Brown was the governor before him. Alicia is going to preschool on Monday. We talked about that. Pre meaning before school. Do you believe that interstellar travel is possible? So again, inter is my prefix, so take that off. And then you've got stellar. Stellar meaning stars. So interstellar would be traveling among the stars. Okay. So again, write the word form of this definition. So your former wife would be your ex-wife. Again, former. To test before, think about it, right, would be a pre-test. I want to pre-test to see what you know ahead of time. To cook before, pre-cook. To act with other people. Now, what was that one that meant with or among? To interact. To pay before, and that was to prepay. Okay? So these are our prefixes, pre, ex, and inter, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.